Happy New Year! Merry Christmas if you celebrate these festivities in January, and welcome back to NEEF Fine Art Studio. I am Nina. Today I'm presenting to you my watercolor painting process of this winter landscape. Let's call it Frozen Sun. It looks simple at first sight, and you are right in regards to the sketch. There is not much there. It means less things to get wrong, but when there is little to nothing, everything has to be spot on. The trickiest part here is that we have to be really focused from the get-go. Usually the first wash is done to get rid of the white of the paper, but not here. We start from painting the background, which includes the sky and the snowy land. The sky has to glow. It has to have a frosty and hazy atmosphere. The snow has to sparkle and bounce with light. And all has to have depth. It is paramount to get the changes in the tonal values and changes in temperature of the hues correct. Don't forget, if something doesn't look right straight away, you can adjust it many times while the wash is still wet. The second stage is easier. It is all one big dark shape. You will need to use dry brush techniques to paint the tops of the trees and the grass. Also, we will do a bit of wet on wet to paint the background trees for the soft edges to suggest the distance. The only concern I see here is not getting the solid feel of the tree mass. If you use too many little dabs, the mass of the trees will look very disconnected and patchy. We need a few gaps here and there, but please make sure that overall it looks solid. Now let's paint.